Can I fit all of this in a 2021 Kia Soul GT? Find out if it'll fit the fam. I'm Mr. Bram. These are my 3 kids. Join us as we journey to find the best mini SUV to fit the fam. A better way to roll. That's the motto for the newest version of this boxy hamster hauler. This is the 2nd year of the more rounded design on their boxy stance. And it's an improvement. They've added additional legroom, better cargo capacity, and a longer wheelbase, which makes this the most confident driving Soul yet, especially if you get that GT line trim. This sport-emphasized model has turbocharged engine, bigger tires, and sport seats, but it leaves plenty of room for all of your kids and their accompanying gear. As for the infant carrier, the doors are tall but narrow, except for a slight cutout that makes setting the seat in rather unencumbered. With the carrier in place behind the driver's seat, I could sit comfortably and I didn't have to slouch to see out the front window, which happens often in these cars with a taller driving position. Do you like sitting tall knowing that you're helping others? Like and subscribe to our channel and you'll be helping other parents find us. This also allows me and the Bramies an opportunity to review additional vehicles so you can help find your next car. The doors on the Soul open very wide, which is really nice for entry, but you have to watch out for the other cars in the parking lot. Now, once in, the seating position is high, so it makes shorter children struggle to get up into their seat. I was surprised that our Diono Monterey XT actually fit in such a small car. Sorry, Kia, mini SUV. So when my daughter was able to buckle herself, she got pretty excited. Now, the rear seat hip room in our 2021 Soul is only 52.8 inches, which is adequate to fit 3 across, but the way the top of the car narrows, I didn't feel comfortable because of the side airbags to put 3 across in the Soul. So we decided to go with 2. Now, entry was easy for the kids. Again, depending on your car seat height, some kids may struggle to get up into it, but once in their seats, the extra ½ inch of legroom over the prior body style was really nice. Now, I do have to point out, this does have plastic seat backs, which I love for durability. Are you wondering what this noisy outdoor environment has to do with cars? Well, nothing. I'm not just some outdoor enthusiast. The Brams are full-time RVing, and we're letting you join in on the journey. Make sure you check us out on all the socials under Fit the Fam Travels. We're gonna be real with you about our experiences of living in a 400 square foot RV, and we're gonna be bringing reviews and experiences along the way. So make sure you join us. Now, the Soul being a mini SUV, we don't expect a whole lot of space, but this year Kia added 5 additional cubic feet to the cargo area, making it just shy of 24 cubic feet in the back, and it just eats up our stroller. And there's a nifty feature that lowers the cargo floor down when you need just a little additional height. Also, once you've safely pinned your rear seatbelt back, all seats down, this thing has a cavernous 62 cubic feet. For 2021, the Soul has come a long way from its hamster wheel roots. And the GT line has added great features like a multi-tiered center console with QI charging, embossed sport seats, and multiple drive modes to take advantage of the 201 turbocharged horsepower. Kia has also moved up market, not sparing the details like the stitched leather steering wheel and the red sport trim. They also have a mode called Sound Mood Lamp that plays a loop of sounds and appropriate lighting, which unfortunately it was a little too bright during filming for us to see the lights, but it's pretty darn cool. The Soul, while small, is a great economical vehicle made sporty with the GT line. And while the boxy style isn't for everyone, I would suggest you at least give it a try, because maybe it's just like those skinny jeans and you just kind of like the way it feels.
I want to thank Sands Kia in Surprise for loaning me the vehicle for today's video.
If you're in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, check out sanskia.com. They have a huge selection and an amazing staff to help you. Mention Fit the Fam for the best deal on your new Kia.